Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is egg pepper dosa with stuffing. This protein packed super delicious and typical South Indian dish can be served in your breakfast, lunch or dinner plate. My family enjoys it every time I make this. So let's start making it in my way. So for making the dosa batter, here I have taken half a cup of whole urad dal and soaked it for 7 to 8 hours as it takes much longer time to become soft. And I am specially using this dal as it is much healthier than the split version of it. And here I have taken 1.5 cup of white rice and soaked it just for 3 to 4 hours. Here I am using Sona Masuri rice, but you can use any of the white rice available. Now it is time to grind the dal and the rice for making the batter. Dal and the rice. I'll grind both together. Here you have to give a little bit of water, and then you need a green chili and some chopped ginger. Some salt. Now we have to grind it. Now I am using 2 tablespoonfuls of plain yogurt and if you want you can use a little bit of water. Now the batter is ready. The consistency will be neither too thick nor too runny, and the texture will be a little coarse. So it's perfect to make the dosa now. Now I'll make the stuffing. So heat the pan. Put some oil. Now the oil is heated. Over here, put a little bit of jeera or the cumin seeds, a little mustard seeds, and here I have used a little bit of chana dal or the split chickpeas. Let this splatter and then add the curry leaves. As you know, the curry leaves are must for a South Indian dish. Now add chopped onions, let it be cooked for some time. Now just add a little turmeric and salt. Now here I will use boiled potatoes, some corn and some green edamame. To give it a little healthy touch, you can also use green peas. So I'll now use these. Just pour this in the pan and if you wish, you can use a little turmeric also with the other spices. See, I have used a little water here to give it a nice texture. So my stuffing is ready now. Now we will make the dosa. So heat up the pan first and then sprinkle some water. Whenever you see that the water drops here making the bubbles, then you are sure that your pan is enough heated. And then again sprinkle some more water and use a cotton towel to wipe it off to make your tawa cool down. So make sure that before pouring the batter on the pan, your tawa should be cool enough so that the dosa can be stuck on the pan properly. And keep the flame in medium. Now we will start making our dosa. So now in a non-stick pan, you don't have to use oil. Pouring in the batter and just slowly and nicely with a little pressure just spread the batter all over the pan or as much as you can. And in an egg dosa, I won't make it too crunchy and thin. On the contrary, it should be a little thick and fluffy. And just now keep the flame in medium. Just let it be cooked for some times and just sprinkle a little bit of oil. Now see, when your dosa is half cooked, over here now you have to use the egg. So I have mashed an egg with a little bit of salt in it and just pour the mixture in the dosa and just spread it gently all over it. And let it be cooked for some times. Now just sprinkle some oil on top of the egg. Now see, whenever your dosa is properly cooked, it will start coming out from all the portion. So at this point of time, just flip it over and let the egg be cooked for just a few minutes. And over here I have decreased the temperature a bit. Now just flipping it over again. See, the egg is now properly cooked. Now I'll just spread some onion on top of it. This I am making without the stuffing, and the next one I'll show you with the stuffing. And you can just use some cilantros. Little bit of black pepper powder. Just switch off the flame now and just flip over one portion, and it is done. Now the next dosa I will show you in an iron pan, which is considered much healthier than the non-stick one. So the same process you have to follow. Just heat up the pan first and then sprinkle some water to make it cool down first. Wipe it off with a cotton towel. And here you have to use a little oil. Just pour in a little oil on the pan and just apply it all over the pan using a brush. So that you have to use less oil. That's it. Now I'll just pour in the batter. Just with a slight pressure, just spread it all around the pan. Now just I have poured the egg in the same process as the previous one. And let the egg be cooked for some time. Now just sprinkle a little bit of oil on the egg. So here I want to show you another thing. If you don't want to flip over the dosa, so then you have to just use a lid on the top and just let the egg be cooked for some time. Now you have to just reduce the flame a bit so that the egg can be cooked properly. And now in the same way you can use a little bit of onion if you wish. This is optional here, you may or may not use it. Now I'm using the stuffing here. This is as much as you wish. Now you just have to switch the flame off completely, and now is the time to flip over the dosa from one portion and just take it out in one plate. It's ready to serve now. Now my egg pepper dosa with and without stuffing is ready to serve. I really hope you liked my recipe. If you do, please hit the like option, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.